Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So how are you all? So I hope you all are doing good. So let's start the video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon for getting my new notification. And please like this video. So let's start the video without without wasting any time. So you can see this picture. You can see very beautiful. You can see the brown color picture and all, the brown color bed and the roof and all, very beautiful, good decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the cotton and all, and the floor you can see beautiful floor, and the roof also very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the down candle. You can see the bed there. The bed also red color, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see black color thing, very beautiful. I love this one. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the cotton and all, very beautiful cotton. You can see the white color, the stars and all, beautiful stars fall. This one also very beautiful. You can see the black color cotton and all, and the bulbs and all, very beautiful, very good looking. This one also very beautiful. You can see the bed, blue color bed and all, and the up also white color, and the lamp and the floor very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the floor, the wall and the roof and the cotton and all, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the floor and the mirrors and all, and the lights, very beautiful lights, the lamps and all, very expensive room, modern room. This one also very expensive and modern. It is normal. I didn't like this room, but it is okay. It isn't very live. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lights, bulbs and all, and the cotton and the floor. You can see the wall, the up bulbs and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the cotton, the lamp and all, very beautiful. This one also you can see, it is also very beautiful. You can see the photos, the down candle, very beautiful room. I like this one. You like? So comment me down. Don't forget to comment me down. This one also very beautiful. You can see the wall. You can see the lines and all, very beautiful. Fan and all, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the pink color theme, very beautiful theme. And this one also you can see very beautiful, the cottons, the decoration, the design, butterflies, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment me down, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment me down so I can bring for you beautiful videos. If you like, so comment me down and I will bring for you VIP modern room. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.